Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create your own Twitter bot. And the best thing is you won't have to code anything. I already did the hard work for you. All you gotta do is download the software I'll leave in the description. So the first thing you need to do obviously is having your Twitter bot account. I just created a Motley bot. Guess why? I'm a big fan of Motley Crue. So the bot will retweet any tweet that contains Nick Six, Vince Neil, Tom Lee, Mick Mars, or Motley Crue. With your Twitter bot account ready, you need to access the developer Twitter site where you will request them to have your Twitter as a developer account. This will allow you to access their API so your bot will work properly. All you gotta do is tell them your hobbies and they'll send you your confirmation and you get your access keys. Now create your project and change the app settings to read and write permissions. Then just generate your 4 keys and insert them into the software. And then you gotta choose the word you want your bot to retweet. In case you wanted to retweet more than only one word, you gotta separate them by a semicolon. Then just click OK and start bot, and your bot will log all the retweets you will give. Your bot is working. Thanks for watching.